Good morning. This is another smartphone or tablet shorty to answer the very important question if there is light in the fridge when the door is closed. Yeah, this question has been asked 100 times and answered 100 times, and we all know what it is, but I'm still doing it again just for fun. I came to this idea when I put my Chinese tablet in the fridge. By the way, we'll see if it's still running. Yes. And it happens to have a camera. That's quite about all it actually does have. Screen got a bit slow but after a night in the fridge. I would so too. So I simply put on the camera here and let it record. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't actually know. It should. Oops. Put it to recording. Now I'm closing the door. And I'm opening the door again. Let's see if we can do the tablet by the tablet by the tablet, so to speak. I managed to hit the exactly so. Here we go. Proven by modern technology. Makes a nice picture, by the way, sort of picture in picture. Yeah. I should do some more Dadaistic videos probably. Anyway, I guess this one was sort of strange enough for today. See you.